Welcome to my little makeup tutorial. I've had a couple people reach out and ask me how I did my makeup, so I thought I'd put together a little makeup tutorial because why not? I just start with the concealer. I don't put a base. I have some, imperfections that I want to cover up, but this is all just stuff that I grabbed from watching multiple different videos. So I use a lot of Wet n Wild stuff because they're cruelty free. I'm kind of running out of it though, so we'll see how well it works. And I got a little one of those foamy squish things that I need to wash. So as you can see, this is going to be great. The general places that you want to put this, it'll just be easier if I show you. And you just kind of dab it so you can see it kind of highlights the center of your face, and that's the goal. Got a little bit of concealer done. Okay, the one brand that I am pretty loyal to is Bare Minerals. It's affordable, it's got really good coverage. I'm using the Bare Pro right now and I really like it. I've also tried Pure and that's good too. I even still have the Bare Minerals foundation brush, amazingly. It's called Tapered Face, and it's always important to tap your brush just to get rid of excess anything. And I usually just work my way up my face, down on the nose. You're always trying to go in the direction of your pores. I feel like there's still some spots that maybe are a little dark under my eyes. That's cool. I'm just gonna add a little bit more concealer. And then the next thing is mascara. I just have this just the generic Revlon lash curl. I don't have anything fancy, guys. I do not spend a ton of money on makeup. I try to make sure it's cruelty free. See, I'm pulsing it. I feel like that works really well. I don't know. What are your thoughts? The pictures that you might have seen had really thick full lashes. I was wearing falsies. They're fun. But this mascara is actually really good. This is Lash Sensational by Maybelline. See, I'm twisting the brush. That helps give it some length. The thing with mascara is that you kind of have to work fast because it's going to start to dry, but it's also important to kind of go out with the mascara. But you can also use the tip. The tip's a really good tool to separate or even just like push up, give some areas more length. I'm not going to put this back in the tube when I do the bottom portion because you don't want there to be a lot. You don't want it to be heavy on the lower part. You want to kind of start with a lighter application. I have these little Q-tips. I think they're not from here, but you can use any Q-tip. A Q-tip's a great way to even out the bottom part, and I always kind of pinch the edges because I feel like I get so many of these flyaways. It probably isn't the best way to get it. It's okay. For makeup remover, I use this Cetaphil Gentle Oil Free. Actually works really well. I'm just dipping my Q-tip in that a little bit and then getting this mascara off. She did a really good job. Sensitive skin, y'all. Don't worry, this is gonna take you much less time. Did I mention that natural light is the best way to do this? I hate doing my makeup in the bathroom, but most of the time when I'm actually, working, it's what I gotta work with. My lashes are not cooperating really on that side. I can like wiggle it. I know I should be doing the blinking thing. It's so weird. I feel like that's like a muscle you have to build. It's just awkward to me. Oh, my boots home. So let the mascara dry. I want to throw a little bit of color on my eyelids, just for a little something. Ipsy NYX, how do you say that? I don't even know. And I usually just keep it to the outside and then work over. I just use this, I don't know where I got this. Maybe Fred Meyer. It's called Large Shadow. And I got this cool blending brush. I think I got it from an Ipsy. It's called Luxie Small Tapered Blending. Anyway, I'm gonna use that in a minute. I have this lighter shades of brown. It's by CoverGirl. And I'm just gonna use the light brown and just get it underneath too. I'm gonna get the dark brown. I should be using probably an angled brush for this, but it's cool, it's cool. Just getting any loose powder off. Okay, brows. I'm using my little brow comb to just brush it up. I got this stuff from Sephora. It's called brow thickener. I love it. It's important to start from the middle because you don't want something super dark right at the tip of your brow. So I usually start at the top. I forgot to blend my eye makeup. It's all good. I can go back to it. Cool. Look at the difference. I have this one. It's like an angled brush and a brow thing combined. The thing that we forgot to do was blending the eyeshadow, so I'm gonna do that now. It's just kind of on the outskirts of where the shadow is. I think we're gonna do bronzer next. I use City Proof NYC. You just find whatever, like find something cheap, find something cruelty free. You're golden. So for this, maybe a good point to reference is like right above your ear. Something like that. You can see it start to define. I don't even wear blush anymore. I just wear this. I kind of like it because it blends with my hair too. And so it's more of a subtle look. Oh yes, I'm also like doing it just on the outside of my nose. And this brush went wild. Might be a bronze brush. And then I'm also gonna trace the edge of my hairline because you want it to blend in. And it's also great if you have a bigger forehead, like myself. And then just putting a little bit on the outside of the chin. And then getting your neck. Blending. I'm using my foundation brush and just kind of blending it in. Highlighter. This I think came in an Ipsy Naked Cosmetics, really effective. Start with my eyes. So I like to put some in the corner of my eye right here. I watched in some video, this is my rolled out of bed at 9 a.m. look, which that's what I did today. A little help is always nice. For my nose too. You can always dull it out with your foundation brush. I have this cool little fanny brush that I'm just dipping in here. Oh god. You're just trying to fan it like right over the spot that you did your bronzer. And then do one more little soft scrunch on the lashes. I try not to do it too hard because I don't want to strip the mascara. Sometimes I'll use this little guy to separate some of them if I feel like they're not exactly where I want them to be. Are they getting a little too clumped together? The thing I really like about this mascara though is that it doesn't flake a lot, which I hate it when mascara does that. Sometimes it is just necessary to apply another layer to get them thicker. But if you're trying to just do something super quick, it's not really necessary. If you want to make it look like you're wearing falsies and you're not, pretty sure way to do it. I'm just pinching excess mascara off. As far as the lips part goes, just trying to find my chapstick. Really easy. Put my chapstick on. And get my little rag. And I just wipe it off. I put my chapstick back on. And that's my quick natural look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day.